So my name is Maria Milicheva. I am one of the owners of this beautiful house, which is located in Northern Virginia, in the city of Lorton. So the old kitchen was very old. It was more than 20 years old. So we needed upgrades to the cabinets, the tiles, the appliances. So that was about time. Well, we looked for the quote with multiple companies. I think we consulted as many as 8 of them, visited multiple showrooms, and spoke with the builders. And I think it just was a process of kind of canceling out or weeding out companies that we thought carried brands of cabinets that we didn't want to have in our kitchen, or there were builders who didn't have the showroom, so it was kind of complicated to see how the materials will look together, or just browse through the magazines and not see those materials in person. And in the end, I think we only had a couple of companies, and the one that stuck with us the longest was City Kitchen and Bath. So they were willing to kind of listen to what were our most pressing concerns and accommodate them in ways that the other company was not willing to. So we ended up with City Kitchen and Bath. So we had some ideas. Maybe fortunately or unfortunately, my husband and I, we did not agree on the ideas. So our lowest common denominator was just, simple white or simple one tone, nothing flashy. But in the end, neither one felt 100% confident that this is where we wanted to go. We really wanted it to be timeless, classy, modern, something that would go along with the rest of the house. So we did do a lot of homework. We were looking for inspiration in the available, images, photos on the website, and after lots of searches, there was one particular image that got stuck with us, and it became a source of inspiration for the kitchen. It was easy to work with him. I like that he wasn't pushy. I like that he was adventurous in the sense that we decided to go with something that was not 100% conventional. I know that not every designer would go this route and maybe even try to dissuade us, because this is not a typical, one color white or one color navy blue or one color, you name the color. So we kind of received a boost of enthusiasm, seeing that he was very excited about what we wanted to do. So yes, that was great. I think anyone who goes into a major remodeling project needs to have right set of expectations, because there are so many different pieces, some of which are completely outside of the control of your builder. So we had some issues with appliances, which is again outside of the scope of the project. But overall, I think we had a great crew. They were very responsive, very polite and humble, hardworking, so I had no complaints about the crew. I like it all. I think it just how it all came together, the feel, the look, the functionality. I think it's I do spend a lot of time in the kitchen, so I enjoy it all. So I would definitely recommend City Kitchen and Bath and the owner, the designer, Adam, to other friends and colleagues for all of the things that I mentioned.